How to use Canva to make money online. Create trackers. People love to be organized. There's a high demand for that. We all love to be organized and we love to track our activities, especially if it's some new activity we're starting with. So it could be trackers for lifestyle, for water intake, for your exercise, financial, like the budget trackers. Any type of trackers or activities people like to track you can think of. Create trackers for certain niche, in certain colors or certain style. It's up to you. There's so many opportunities and you can get as creative as you like. You can include trackers in some kind of bundles. You can join them together with planners, with some ebooks, or some kind of PDF material that is for your certain niche. Sell them online on different platforms. Trackers are great opportunities. Canva has plenty of tools you can use for that, plenty of inspiration. You can use tables in Canva, which are really great, have many functions, so it's not such a detailed work. You can do it pretty fast. You can recycle them once you create a certain tracker for some topic or niche. You can recycle it and create more of them in different colors or for different niche just by changing the text, for example. And if you like this video, follow for more tips or watch more videos from this series, how you can use Canva to make some online products and sell them online so you can create your passive income, or about Canva, how to use